So ito na nga, new bike day sa birthday. So bike check tayo ng bago kong bike. Let's go! So shout out sa Altawin into Enduro Trails kay Marco. So dito ko gagawin yung bike check natin. So yung bike ko is Ransom. At kung makikita nyo, actually it's like 2021, 2022 kasi hindi na naglabas ng bagong model yung Scott sa 2022, yung ginawa nila because sa nangyaring pandemic, ganon, nagka-shortage. So late 2021 yung frame, tapos yung nakakargang specs or parts are all 2022. So let's start. From the cockpit, meron tayong synchro. So most of the accessories na nakakabit sa bike is like synchros. So synchros and Scott are like magkapatid eh. So we have the synchros grips. So we have also Shimano Diore XT M1 M800. So naka quad piston na yan. And meron tayong cockpit ng Hickson handlebar ng Syncros, tsaka Syncros stem. So same sa kabila. Yung sa kabila mas maganda kasi yung left trigger niya, as you can see, napaka neat. Meron siya dito remote for the suspensions, and then dropper post, ito remote to, trail, descend and climb. So 3 position. It's very nice. And then stem niya, tapos 40 mm and 1.5 rise, and then the shifter. So as you can see, napaka neat kasi naka matchmaker siya. And going to the fork is Fox 38 Evil, or there's like extra volume. So pagkakalam ko 2022 model to na Performance Elite, Fox 38. So naka 3 position din siya, as you can see. Meron yung for the remote, pero pwede rin i-convert yan sa manual remote. Pero mas gusto ko yung may remote sa handlebar. So ang features ng Fox na ito is yun nga, yung extra volume niya. Tapos meron na siyang air equalizer something sa lower leg. So and then naka fit 4 na rin siya. Yan, ang hindi ko lang nagustuhan dito is yung draw axle niya. It's manual. I like the quick release thing, so kailangan ko pang palitan yan. Maghanap lang ako. So that's the fork. So going sa wheels, sa rims is synchros also. It's a synchros rims, Rebel stroke 2.0, so 30 mm width, and with Maxxis Assegai tires, 29 by 2.6 ang size. So triple compound, Max Terra, EXO protection, and tubeless ready na rin yan. So that's the tires. So the fork also, balik tayo sa fork, is 29 and 27.5 plus compatible. So napakaganda. And then synchros hubs, silver color, Shimano Ice-Tech rotors, and this is the Shimano Diore caliper. So meron siyang quad piston at naka 203 ako sa harap. At yan yung fork niya, Fox 38. Going sa frame, frame is Scott Ransom, and then this is the 910 model. So may ibig sabihin ng 910, meron kasi yan 910, 920, 930, 940, 950 and 900. Pag simula sa 9, ibig sabihin 29er. So 29er siya, and then 10. So 10 means carbon front triangle frame, and then aluminum rear triangle frame. So yung suspension niya, rear suspension niya is the nude, extra volume also, Fox nude. So 170 travel din ito, and by the way this is 170 travel as well. So 170 travel, 170 travel with remote also on this one. Ang kakaiba nito ngayon, and the latest version is like meron siyang ramp selector. If you want firm or less firm, pwede mo siyang gamitin itong control knob na to, and that is the Fox Nude Evo o extra volume. At meron din itong chip for high and low setup, so it's up to you kung gusto mo high o gusto mo low setup sa bike mo, pwede rin siya. And compatible din ang frame for 27.5 plus tires, kasi nakalakapit sa likod is 2.6 also. So punta tayo dyan. So at ang dropper post is Fox Transfer, black color also, steel, same as the fork, steel, 125 travel. So napakaganda rin, smooth, parang parehas lang din sa Fox na fork. So Fox talaga yung suspensions nito. And then synchro sa Caslow saddle on this one. So yan din yung likod, XT Diore calipers with pins na po yung pads, and I'm running 180 I-stick rotor Shimano sa likod. And then through axle boost, and then ang kagandahan nito, yung knob nito is pwede mong tanggalin, at kung naka-synchros ka rin na hub sa harap, tapos mayroong maliit na pwede mong gamitin yan. Normally pag likod lang siya for now kasi naka-Fox tayo, at saka meron ding axle. So pedals is Crank Brothers, black with pins. I'm not riding cleats, so naka flats. Malaki lang yung mga knobs niyan, or yung pins matataas kasi I like flats talaga, at sanay ako sa flats pag sa downhill at enduro. So going sa drivetrain, meron itong SRAM GX Lunar. So bagong model din ng SRAM at 520% engagement sa cassette for this. And meron akong 30 teeth or 32 teeth sa harap na chainring, and ito rin yung GX SRAM GX RD, and then with 52 teeth cassette 12 speed. Ayan siya, so napakaangas din with SRAM chain, bagay na bagay lang. And then meron din akong dissector sa likod, it's 2.6 also, Maxxis dissector, same lang din ang rim set sa harap, tapos synchro sa rear hub. Hindi siya actually, I'm not really fan of tunog mayaman, so okay lang na ganyan. Ayoko rin mag-edit ng hubs. So that's it. So sana nagustuhan nyo. So this is the SRAM, or I mean the Scott Ransom 29er enduro bike. Alright guys, tapos na natin yung bike check. So test ride natin or break in. So tingnan natin kung ano pang kayang gawin ng bike na ito sa trail na meron tayo dito. So just to give you an idea, ang trail ay puro Rockies. So as you can see, share to, namuha mga bato, naulanan, natitibak-tibak, mga ganun. Ewan ko kung anong tawag din sa mga bato na to, pero let's see what this bike can do in this kind of trail. So sana nagustuhan nyo to. At since it's my birthday, please subscribe kayo sa akin channel. That's it guys, that's it.